Hi viewers, today I'm gonna share you the recipe of garlic bread. You can make this at home in just 10 minutes. Let's get started. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, half tablespoon chilli flakes and 1 tablespoon oregano. Mix everything well with the butter. Add 3 tablespoons coriander and mix well. Take 2 bread slices and cut off the sides. Apply the garlic butter evenly on both sides. You can also grate some cheese if you want to. You can use a grill or a pan. If using a pan, fry the garlic breads on the pan until golden brown color. Yummy garlic bread is ready. Drop a comment how you got this recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Delicious Foods. Thanks for watching. Bye.